How to do CapCut video editing on phone. If any day you have a phone, that may be your Android phone or that may be your iOS phone as well, and you would like to do editing on your very phone, then CapCut is the perfect application for you. But if you're wondering how to do video editing on CapCut on your very phone, do not worry, as we have got a solution on how you can do that. For this, first of all, you have to download or install the very CapCut application on your mobile device. After you install and download the CapCut application on your mobile device, you have to tap on CapCut like this. After you tap on the CapCut like this, now you can see that CapCut will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you can see an interface like this. Now here, if you are just new to CapCut, you can tap on the option of the new project, and then from the option of the new project, you can select any of the project or any of the videos from your very album on your mobile device. Otherwise, you can also go to the library here, and after you tap on the option of the library, there are a lot of videos which you can export and you can also just edit them. Otherwise, you can go to the option of the AI media here as well. After tapping on the option of the AI media, you can see that this is a new option here. You can also generate AI videos here with the help of CapCut. So however, you have to select a video. Now after you select a video, it may also go to the option of project like this, and you can see that the option will be shown here like this. Now here are lots of options to edit your videos. In the option of edit, there are the option of splits. You can also change the speed here. You can also add animation. You can also add new style to it. Sometimes you can also delete any of the clips if you do not want. You can also enhance the voice of the video. You can also isolate the voice. You can also retouch the video. You can also do camera tracking in order to create the cool videos. You can also decrease or increase the volume by tapping on the option of volume. And in the option of the transform, you can also reduce the video size, or you can also crop the video. Again, in the option of the auto reframe, you can also reframe the video the way that you want. And in the option of the adjust, you can adjust the video. There is video quality, the filters option, the removing the background option, the overlaying option, the basic, and so many here. Again, if you go to the option of audio, you can also keep any of the sounds that you want from here, and you can also check whether there is any copyright or not. Again, you can go to the option of text, and after going to the option of the text, you can add text to your very videos. You can also add auto caption to your very videos or auto lyrics here, and also draw in your video. Now here in the option of the overlay, you can add any of the overlay to your video. Again, here's the aspect ratio where you can just edit your video on the object of the ratio there. You can also add the various kind of beautiful filters to your very videos here. And again, you can go back, then tap on the option of stickers where you can keep various cool stickers here. Again, there is various kind of nice options here. Again, there is the option of the background where you can change your background. You can also blur it, or you can also create a brand background. So this is the way on how you can do various kind of editings. And at last, if you'd like to save here, you can go to the arrow like option on the top, and you can also set the resolution to the one that you want. You can also set it to the lowest, that is 480p, and also to the highest, that is 2K or 4K. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.